Weather report said it's supposed to be a little bit windy today. 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 45. And I've been hearing a little bit of noise out here. Must be another weather front coming through. Man, before I came outside, that gust was so loud I couldn't believe it. Nothing like those summer straight line windstorms we get with 60 or 70 mile per hour winds. This is just a winter blast, probably something that is Canada sending our way. Sure the volume will pick that up. Sure sounds windy to the regular ear. Flip the cam legs over. Just wait later till it dumps them out. Sounds like the Flight for Life Medivac is coming through somewhere. There it is. That was a coincidence. That must not be fun flying to that.